So let us take a very standard example. This is the most often asked type of question on Rolle's theorem. So the question states that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, prove that this equation 3ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0 has at least one root in open 0, 1. So whenever you have questions like this, has at least one root in 0, 1, you need to remember your Rolle's theorem. So what does Rolle's theorem say? If f of a is equal to f of b, so if there are two numbers a and b such that f of a is equal to f of b, then f dash of x is equal to 0 has at least one root in open a, b. This is the Rolle's theorem for polynomial functions. If f of a is equal to f of b, then f dash of x is equal to 0 has at least one root in open ab. So now compare this statement with the given question. So you are asked to prove that this equation something is equal to 0 has at least one root in open 0 to 1. So do you feel that we are talking about a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1? And we are talking about f dash of x is equal to this 3ax square plus 2bx plus c. So if f dash of x is equal to this statement exactly looks like the conclusion of the Rolle's theorem. Now if f dash has to be this function, what should be the function f? So that is what you need to think. So the solution starts with, so let us assume f of x is equal to the integration of this. So what is the integration of 3ax square plus 2bx plus c? So 3ax square, the integration is ax cube plus 2bx square by 2, that is bx square plus cx. So you don't need a constant. Now let us take this as our f of x. So if I consider this as my f of x, now what is f of 0? That is, put x is equal to 0 in each of these terms. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. So if you assume this as f of x, f of 0 is equal to 0. What is f of 1? If you put x is equal to 1, you get a plus b plus c, which is given as equal to 0. That's the given information. So why did I take 0 and 1? Because if you compare the conclusion of Rolle's theorem with this question, it looks like a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. So I have taken those two values. Now this is a polynomial equation, a cubic equation, and f of 0 is equal to f of 1. So what does this imply? F dash of x is equal to 0 has at least one solution in open 0 to 1. So what is f dash of x? We have considered our f of x so that f dash of x becomes this expression. So f dash of x is 3ax square plus 2bx plus c is equal to 0 has at least one solution on 0 to 1. So that's the conclusion from Rolle's theorem, which is what you're asked to prove. So hence proved. Thank you.